This is the demo of the AR based navigation for in stores for the pickers. And as we can see, the first screen that was to tell which product needs to be picked up. We click tap at the starting and start following the blue dots. In the top left corner, we can see the distance to our next pickup point. As soon as we reach that point, we get a prompt to pick up that product, as we can see in the video. And then we automatically are being calculated the distance to the next point, and we are seeing those blue dots as well, so that the picker is not confused. And as soon as we reach that pickup point, we again get a prompt, and when the picker gets to the last pickup point, it gets to know that the order is complete. Now you have to deliver the products. Hi. So today, what we are trying to do is we are trying to find out the optimized path in a floor plan which is taken from a Whole Foods market. Uh, and we have taken up 4 points. One is a starting point, one is the ending point, and there are two pick points wherein the products are stored in the racks in a store. And a person needs to go from the starting point to pick point one, pick the product, to pick point two, pick the product, and then go out of the store at the ending point. Now, we have taken these points as random. Now I'll run a code wherein you will see how we are applying the A-star algorithm to find out the two paths, like which are possible, from, either go to pick path one first or go to pick path two first. Can you please run the code?
Sure.
So as you can see, we are trying to run the path. And in this image, you can see we are trying to calculate the distance from starting to, let's say, item one, then from item one to item two. And now we are going to run in the graph from item two to item in the end. The overall distance is 126 units. Now we are running it for the second path, which is the item start to item two, then item one, and then to the end. And now we can see that 74 units is basically the lower time now, and the path which will be traversed is shown in this downscaled floor plan with the red color. And if you can also click at the the first path uh, in the right panel for the 126th. Yeah, so this shows the 126. So we'll have to sort of crisscross in this case if we want to do item one first and item two. So it will take a shit more time to traverse such a path. Nupur, go ahead with yours.
Sure. So, like, as you can see, like for processing of this image, like it had to be scaled down. So it does not look like the original floor map. So this was the original input which is given to our code, which clearly shows the fixtures here. And like after getting it scaled down, like the image of the floor plan looks like something like this. So to get the final coordinates again back, so that we can guide the customers properly, we have to rescale it again. So this is the rescaled version of path 1, in which item 1 was picked first and item 2 second. And this is the like the original scaled version for the second scenario. So like as you can see, like in the first one, like there's a lot of crisscrossing, whereas in the second one we can like see a better path.
We also output this path values in a form which can be run or read by the AR navigation mobile app, and therein these coordinates or the XY path from starting till end will be put in, and we will show you we have shown you that part as well. Thank you.